What's up? We're back in every guys. Another rainy video, guys. Here is CSX M327 in the rain. Right now. Here it is right now. There is a 97 freight cars, right? 97 freight cars. There is right now. There is, and he has a tractometry car, but it's a box car instead. That scans the track. Pretty cool. Here we go. How dark it actually is, guys. It's pretty dark. Here we go. Track jumping car was the first car, but instead it was a gondola. So I'm thinking this track jumping car will be somewhere towards the end of the train then, I guess. He's moving, guys, oh man. Cars should say do not hump. Means short for do not bring it in the hump yard. The expensive track scheme is looking on it. On this box car, this box car. So yeah. Must have missed it, but I'm pretty sure it's still got doors. The first car got doors. Maybe they don't have it, I don't know. Maybe it's towards the end of the train. Hard to say. Again, only 97 freight cars, so empty 4 car, there it goes. Some box car, there it goes. Guys, I do not see tractometry car on it. Must have missed it, but I don't see it. Must have took it off for some reason. Decided to bring on another train another time. And there it goes. Here's the train, guys, and there it goes. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more visitors. I'm Ralph and the Lane and out.